Hi all, welcome back to my channel. This is Sarah Traub, and thank you for joining me today. I am making bookmarks. So I went into the Silhouette store here and I purchased this image and downloaded it to my library already. It is Bookmark Basic Shapes by Loni Harris, design ID 18305. Hopefully that helps make it a little easier to find. And I just want to use this one right here. So I'm going to right click and ungroup these. And then I'm going to select these two and just delete them. And to make it easy, we're going to cut these out of 1 10-pound premium cardstock. It comes in a big pack. I'll post a link below for it. But this is really nice because it'll feed through my printer. Now I'm not saying it'll work through all printers, but it feeds through my printer. So I can print designs on them if I want to do like a mandala or, you know, some type of little image or clip art or something like that. You can actually print something and then color, or you can just come up with your own designs. So we've used Sharpies, gel pens, markers, colored pencils, all those different things, stickers and everything on these. So this right here is my design, and I want to fill the page with them. And that puts them nice and spaced out so they'll cut out easily. We're just going to cut these out today and just color them our own little way and decorate them. And then we're going to laminate ours after. You do not have to laminate them. It's an extra step, but it makes them a little sturdier and last a little bit longer. So I am going to cut these out and then join me for the next step.
All right, so I got the white cardstock bookmark cut out. And I have my laminating pouch ready to go, and the laminator heating up over here. So this is just a little piece I'd cut from, normally I use an 8.5 by 11 sheet and use like the whole sheet and laminate several at a time, but since I'm just showing one, I'm gonna slide this down in here and put the laminator over here and feed it through. You can see it going through the laminator there. So I come out this other side. Now you don't have to laminate your bookmarks. You can just leave them the cardstock, but I wanted these to last for a little while longer, be easily to kind of clean off and stuff like that. And I think it makes them last a little bit longer when you laminate them. There's no fast way to do this for the camera, so we're just gonna wait patiently as it spits it out here. And I like to run it again upside down the next time. So this is going to spit out through here. Now I like to use the We Are Memory Keepers Crop-A-Dile 2. And this is a big hole puncher and eyelet and setter. These are the little eyelets here. You don't have to add all these embellishments and ribbon and stuff, but I like to add all the frou-frou. So here it came out here. Now you can cut these corners squared or round them off. I kind of like most of my corners rounded, but I'm just going to square these off for now. I'll go back and round them a little bit later. All right, so there it is cut out. You can see, and then you can see that the hole is not punched through yet, so I'm just going to use the hole punch on the Crop-A-Dile. Line it up. All right, punched our hole. And then I am going, you don't have to do this. This will actually make the bookmark a little bit thicker, but I like the look of adding the little eyelet there. So I'm going to switch my tool to set my eyelets. And you can see which ones I have it set on there. And there, and this is the little bit larger eyelets. There is 2 sizes. And this is the little bit larger ones. Let's see if I can do this. going to turn off that laminator. It's noisy over there. All right. And then the eyelet is set. That's the back of it. And then you can just run a little piece of, I usually use satin double-sided ribbon. And let me go grab a piece real quick. We'll stick those through there. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna run over here and grab it real quick. Let's use purple. Purple. Yeah, let's use purple. Alright, I grabbed a little bit too big of a piece here. Now what I like to do to get this through, some people have a little bit of issues getting this through. I like to make sure I cut both of these at an angle, and then I'm going to feed it through from the back towards the front, like this. So we have our loop here, 2 pieces in the front, and then I'm just going to grab that and pull those. Oops, caught on the corner there. And pull those. And then you can kind of adjust it and make it pretty. And there you have it. Now, I sometimes shorten the tails a little bit, and I will also sometimes come in and run a lighter or a candle or something like that over these tips to just kind of melt them a little bit, and just enough to where it won't fray on the edge. And there we have it, our cute little laminated bookmarks. Thank you for joining me. Bye.